Hey everyone, I'm Erica from the blog Buttered Side Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make an oat milk latte. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to make an oat milk latte right in the comfort of your own home.
Here's everything that you'll need. Coffee beans or grounds. I like to use espresso roast, but don't worry if you can't find any. Oat milk, obviously. You can use a barista blend like this one from Califia Farms, but I'll show you how to DIY your own barista blend from regular oat milk. Honey or maple syrup to sweeten. You could also use any kind of flavored syrup if you prefer. A pinch of unrefined sea salt and pure vanilla extract. Don't use imitation vanilla extract, please. Place 1 to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey into your mug. I find that about 1 teaspoon of maple syrup is right for me, but I don't like my coffee drinks too sweet. Also add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and a tiny pinch of the sea salt. Now I own an espresso machine, so that's how I usually make my espresso. But I'm going to show you how you can make approximately espresso strength coffee in your French press or an AeroPress. Let's start with the French press. Place 1/4 cup of coffee into the canister. Pour 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of 190 degrees Fahrenheit water over the coffee grounds. Stir until everything's evenly moistened. Put the lid on top of the French press and allow to sit for 4 minutes. Plunge down the French press and pour the coffee into your mug. Okay, now I'll show you how to use the AeroPress. Place a dampened paper filler into the filter basket and screw it onto the chamber of the AeroPress. Add 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds to the chamber. Add 2.5 ounces of 175 degree Fahrenheit water. Stir with the provided stir stick. Plunge down the AeroPress and transfer the coffee into your mug. Okay, let's chat oat milks for a minute. There are many different oat milks on the market, and some of them are marketed as a special barista blend. The barista blend oat milks have oil and minerals added. You can actually DIY your own barista blend. Simply add a teaspoon of oil and a pinch of sea salt. Here you can see side by side what the barista blend and the DIY barista blend look like while they're being frothed. The barista blend is on the left and the DIY version is on the right. And here they are side by side being poured into the mug. I actually like the DIY version just as much, if not better, than the barista blend. Also, I find that if you use half Califia Farms and half Thrive oat milk, that makes a really good combination. Now obviously I like to froth my milk using my fancy machine, but you can also get it to froth up with a hand pump frother, a French press, a little stick frother, and make sure to check out my video all about how to froth milk without a machine if you don't have one.
So that's how to make my oat milk latte. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more food and recipe videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.